Hi, I'm Marjorie Artieres. I'm the creative director of Pinch Food Design, a food design and catering company in New York. Welcome to my apartment in the heart of the Lower East Side. This is Baba. Baba is my sous chef and, spends a lot of time in the kitchen with me. My apartment is a celebration of the two things I love, food and design. So come, let me give you a tour. So what we love about this apartment is the brutalism style. You have those concrete tiles on the ceiling, those floor-to-ceiling windows at the back of each room. We were looking for a very comfortable couch, but also something low that doesn't block the light for the room. And it came down to the Togo, which is an iconic design. We love it. And thanks to this angle shape, it allows you to divide the living room from the kitchen. One of my favorite things in here are the stacks of stools, which allow us to extend the family at the dining table and have up to 10 people at once sometimes. That overlooking window into that garden, that's something we've been embracing and adding more plants to connect the indoor, the outdoor. We feel we achieved a great balance in between the calm of this place and the high energy of the New York we love. So the bedroom is pretty much a continuity of what we did in the living room. We let pretty much the outdoor get in. We added plants against the concrete, which looks beautiful. And we use objects and furniture that feel special to us to kind of tone down a little bit the industrial look. That wooden chair is one of the most complicated chairs to manufacture in the world of design. It looks very simple and comfortable, but it's actually like an art piece alongside a few objects that we really love and art from our dear friends on the wall. So this is finally the kitchen, and this is the place where I get to cook, have fun, gather, and host all my loved ones. So today I'm going to make something we do a lot at our parties at Pinch, which are those beautiful pretzel flowers. So let's get started. What I'm going to do is sprinkle a little flour on the dough, and then I'm going to cut some thin lines of dough. So this dough makes a lot of pretzel, as you can see. I roll the dough in between my hands. I'm going to cut here. So this is a good length. You transport them into the sheet pan. And this is where, because they're so delicate, you actually need to shape the flour already on the pan. It's beautiful. There we go, one flour. We're gonna spray them with pretzel water, which has kind of sodium in it, and then we're gonna sprinkle them with salt and a mix of herbs and mustard seeds. And now, these flours are ready to bake. Once the pretzel is baked, I dip it in mustard oil and then in the edible flours. And then my favorite part is to put it in the vase. And now we're ready to serve. So this is Pinch Food Design in the heart of Chelsea. We have our professional kitchen, our design studio, our workshop, our tasting room, our test kitchen, and then massive chandelier made out of hundreds and hundreds of wine glasses when we have tastings. And this is where we produce 350 events per year. So you've seen where I live and work and how I'm surrounded by food and design every day. And I'll see you very soon. À la prochaine.
Well, if you like that, be sure to subscribe and follow so you can get new content right to your inbox all the time. Is that how it works? Click follow, subscribe, and smash that button. Do all those things. I'll see you soon.